Did a clinic staffer turned activist lie about trans kids in order to get their healthcare banned in Missouri? You may think that no healthcare provider could be so evil as to take the private medical information of their clients, twist it to suit a political agenda, and clean up on the activist grifter circuit. If so, you haven't heard the story of Jamie Reed, an anti-trans activist who was once charged with protecting the health of trans kids at a Missouri children's hospital. Reed submitted a sworn affidavit to the Republican Attorney General of Missouri alleging terrible things were happening at the clinic. She said parents were tricked and coerced into approving experimental treatments, that every patient was automatically approved for puberty blockers and hormone therapy, that therapists would spend just one session with clients and then send in a form letter to approve transition. Absolutely none of that was true, as had been demonstrated by every news organization who looked into the story. They even tracked down the family of a patient who showed reporters none of the things about their family in the affidavit ever happened. Unfortunately, the grift was exposed too late to save gender-affirming care in Missouri. Reed continues her activism to this day, claiming that she's doing it for the children, while patients at her former clinic watch helplessly. Some have been forced to leave the state. Others travel hours each way to access care outside the state. Assign Media is your independent transgender news source. Support our work at assignmedia.org and help us raise awareness about the groups and major figures of the anti-trans hate movement.